Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. We're going to show you how to cancel 24-hour fitness membership. So if you are interested, let's get started. So to cancel your membership for 24-hour fitness, what we need to do is we need to access a special page. In this case, go ahead and open up any of your browser right now. You want to go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be cancel 24-hour fitness membership. Let's go and press on enter. Now from here, you should be able to see a link. Here it says cancel membership option to 24-hour fitness. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now on this page, you should be able to see a section which is at the very bottom here that says you would like to track your fitness goal here. So in this case, you have 30% off your next 3 months dues. So in this, you have the option to answer yes or no thanks. So if you click on no thanks, here it is going to actually allow you to cancel your membership. So let's go and click it. And it is going to ask you to basically log into your account first and also some cancellation details here. So in this case, go ahead and log into your account and proceed with the cancellation. From then, you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully the video was able to help you. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.